Sometimes I need to disappear. Not because I'm giving up, not because I'm running away. I just need a little distance from all the noise. Somewhere nobody needs anything from me. Somewhere I don't have to answer. I don't have to perform. I don't have to keep up. I can just exist. I think we all forgot that we're allowed to step away. And every time I do, I come back a little more myself.